Hot honey has become a staple in our household, so I figured I would learn how to make it myself. For the fresh version, thinly slice 1/2 to 1 small to medium-sized hot pepper, depending on your heat preference. Put 1/2 cup of honey in a small saucepan, add the sliced pepper, and bring just to a simmer, then turn off the heat. For the dried pepper version, put 1/2 cup of honey and about 2 teaspoons of dried pepper flakes in a small saucepan. Bring to a simmer and turn off the heat. Let the peppers hang out in the honey for about 20 to 45 minutes. Strain them through a fine mesh sieve or tea strainer into a glass jar or other airtight container, and then mix in 3/4 of a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar until it's all the way mixed in. And that's it, it's ready to go. Store the fresh version in the fridge and store the dried pepper version in the pantry. For the hot sauce version, measure 1/2 cup of honey into a glass measuring cup or other microwave-safe container. Add a tablespoon of your favorite hot sauce, stir it up, and microwave for 20 to 30 seconds, just until it's nice and hot and pourable. Let the honey cool to room temperature before using, and store in the fridge in an airtight container. Ooh, and I highly recommend you getting a squeeze bottle if you're going to make hot honey at home, because that makes for extra easy drizzling on your fresh-made pizza. You'll find the full recipe with my notes, variations, and other info at thursdaynightpizza.com. Happy pizza making!